Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can boost your Snap score. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open up Snapchat on your mobile phone and make sure you are logged in your main account. After that, tap on profile icon and you will see my Snap score is pretty low. So now log out from your main account and here tap on sign up option. Here, make a new Snapchat account. So put all the details like your name, birthday, and set a strong password. Then enter your email address and skip all these options because you are not going to use this account again. Now, add your main account to this account. So search for your main account and tap on add button. After that, log out from this account and log in your main account. Here, go to your friend request and accept the request of that account you just created. Now make the shortcut of and add your fake accounts that you created. Here keep in mind that the more accounts you have, the more quickly your Snap score will be boosted. So add your accounts and tap on create shortcut. After that, go to your camera section and tap on plus button in the dedicated options. A pop will appear. In this pop-up, you will see the options of multiple snaps. Since I didn't get that feature till now, but if you got, then simply take multiple snaps and send them to your fake accounts. Repeat this process as many times as you can because this will boost your Snap score very quickly. So that's basically how you can boost your Snap score. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.